gonna be a tripod, I think. Alright, good day to everyone. Today it's going to be a very simple day of street photography with my Nikon D7500. Because I realized I've been focusing so much on making one video every day that I haven't been focusing on what actually matters, which is photography. The wind is coming that way. And I also don't use enough that great camera, which is my Nikon D7500. So today I'm just very simply going to take some photos and film and focus really on the visual, the aesthetic of both the photos and the videos. There isn't that much of a story for today, just me going out with the Nikon D7500. The only thing that I have to do is that I haven't had lunch yet, and it's 3 p.m. I know a place where I can find something. I have no idea whether or not I was in the frame. Is it construction work? Also, because I took a sling bag, it's really a pain in the ass to use the microphone because it's making noise with the clothing. So I'm just going to use the internal microphone of the camera, just really lightweight today. That's where I'm going, like here. That's where I wanted to go for a galette saucisse, but it looks closed for now. So because it was closed, I bought my things somewhere else. So this is chausson aux pommes. Very nice. It's kind of like a croissant, but not really, with almonds on top. I asked the guy, and apparently there's almond puree inside too, so that's going to be great. And you can see the frangipane inside, so that's the almond puree. It's fantastic. C'est aux amandes et c'est fourré à la frangipane. Fourré à la frangipane dedans, oui, c'est la pâtisserie.
Ah ouais, bah voilà, j'y vais.
Mais c'est bien. Bon appétit. Before we close the park. Alright, so I hope that you enjoyed this very simple video. I just needed to do some street photography because I feel like I haven't done that much these past few weeks. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this, and I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Thank you for watching, bye!